back to Slime Meister. I'm Rosalind.
And I am Lily, and today we're going to be doing a Don't Put Food in Slime challenge. So the way this challenge works is we will have 2 plates, and one of them will have food under them, and one of them will have something you will just put regularly in slime. And they will have coverings over them so we will not be able to see, and one of us will look away, and we will peek under, and if we have food, we're going to try to trick them into taking that one and giving us the actual stuff that you would put in slime. But if we have the slime stuff, we want to try to make them keep theirs because then they have the food. So my brother has been putting it together, and so we have no idea what's going to be under it. So I'm super excited to see. You want to get started?
Yeah, let's go.
Okay. So we have our slime, and we are ready to put whatever we get in slime. So we decided that Rosalind is going to go first, and she is going to look under her pot and try to trick me. So let's see what happens. Okay. I don't like the stuff that's in here. Like, I wouldn't put it in my slime. Like, it's not the colors that I like. But they're your favorite colors. So, I'm going to keep mine. Okay, ready, set, go. Oh, open yours. Yay!
No, I went.
Yes! I got these pretty purple pearls.
I got food.
Okay, so we're going to add it into our slime.
I don't know how this is going to go. Should I, like, crumple it up?
Yeah, probably. I'm only going to add a few. So at the end, we're going to mix all of our slimes together. I just dropped one. This is going to be pretty.
Mine has food.
Well, you don't know if you're going to get some because there's more rounds.
Okay, I'm going to crumple this up.
This feels so cool. I'm so glad I got the pearls. Ooh, does that actually kind of feel cool?
It feels nice. Oh, I'm sorry, but you didn't get the stuff that's kind of chunky.
Okay. I keep launching things everywhere.
Don't launch things on me.
I did, though.
Oh, why'd your brother choose this?
Mmm.
Mine will in.
Good. It's like ocean slime, but like mermaid slime.
Okay, feel this. Okay.
This feels cool.
This feels nice.
Ooh. Kind of made it stiff, though.
Okay.
Okay, so we're going to keep these, and we're going to add them into our big slime at the end. So, Rosalind did not trick me this time, but hopefully I can trick her. So, let's move on to the next round.
Yay!
Okay, here we go. Turn away. Turn away!
It's wonderful. I'm sorry. Can I turn around now?
So, I don't like this one. I don't want it, no. Please, I don't want it. So bad.
I'm gonna keep mine.
Okay. Ah! No! What is this? Oatmeal.
You're supposed to open it and put the stuff in.
I know, we will.
This is the last time I'm falling for that trick.
Okay. Can
Might
you
have an
get the
interesting
slime? Can you get the slime and break it up into 2 tiny pieces?
This?
Yeah.
I'm not touching this.
Can I touch it?
Yeah, you can touch it all you want.
Okay,
I
so
don't
this is
want
our
it.
big bowl of slime.
But yeah, he's helping us.
You still have almonds that you're
I
eating
got hungry.
after eating your other food too.
Well, this is gonna be fun.
Mm-hmm.
I keep having food slimes.
It's okay. You're gonna get some, I hope. If you... Okay. Glitter!
Oh, this feels so cool.
It does?
It's kind of stiff though.
The slime or the oatmeal in the slime?
The oatmeal in the slime.
I knew it would be a good idea.
Okay.
It smells nice.
It smells like strawberry oatmeal.
This is
So it's
so
supposed to smell.
fun. It's kind of hard to see glitter in some non-clear slimes, but it's still pretty.
Let me inspect.
Elsa.
Let me inspect.
It's like Elsa.
Can I see the glitter?
It's like Elsa. Kind
Okay.
of. So pretty. Okay, do you wanna feel mine? I wanna feel yours. Oh, she's for Rosalind to put more of bad stuff in her slime. That's good. Is it bad?
What the heck?
Can I feel it?
Why?
Is it weird?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try one of these. That's good. Try it.
Want to?
Oh, it's like watery.
I know.
That's so weird.
Ah!
It's like. It's so gross.
I know.
All right, so
It
we're
like
gonna.
deactivated.
Yeah, it did. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next round. Okay, here we go.
So, I think that you would really, really enjoy this. It smells so good, and I really like it, but I want to be a good friend and give it to you.
Okay. Huh. Ready, set, go. Gummy bears!
You love it?
No!
Yes, I know!
No!
This is up close of what the gummy bears look like. They're really good. They're super yummy.
No, no. These? No. You didn't get them. Okay.
You dropped it.
You can eat that.
I'll eat it. Not
Okay,
really. I got
ready,
it. I got it.
set.
It's all good.
Hey.
Ew, it's like
No, I
slimy.
need one.
No,
I need one. I need one.
Why is the gummy bear all slimy?
Because it's wet.
There you
It's
go.
wet.
Not just good.
Plate is wet.
Okay.
I noticed.
Okay, so you're only adding one.
I'm not gonna add a few.
Okay, ready? I'm gonna add mine.
How are those gonna work out?
Yummy. Okay.
I don't know.
It's like wet. Feels cool. It feels like Orbeez, kind of.
Big Orbeez. Really big Orbeez.
Ah! She ate all the gummy bears. I'm kidding. That's gross.
That is disgusting.
Ew, they're like falling out. Ew. That'd be cool. That's good.
But add a little bit more.
I don't know.
Here we go.
Okay, so these are falling out. But I have two.
Nice.
Because there's water on the plate.
Well, at least
I'll dry it off.
it's not ice.
What?
Ice. Adding ice to slime.
It's making it sticky.
That's actually a good idea, but then it would just melt and become water, so that's not a good idea.
It's a shame that we're ruining gummy bears.
We have a
I ate
giant bag this big.
We can have some later.
Yeah.
Okay.
I have one more.
They're falling out. I'll just keep some to add into the big slime. Okay, so this was a good round for Rosalind, but it's kind of fair because I've got a lot of
Yeah. And
stuff.
I know the reason why.
Why?
Sorry, I'm like picking up everything that I dropped.
She wants to
Why
know
she
if
traded?
Put the gummy put the gummy bears in so we can put them in later.
Okay.
Oh, I found something. Oh no, I
They're
didn't.
like stuck together.
I found one of her pearls.
That's fine. You can't add that. No, you can't. That's
Fine,
not
I'll take
fair.
it. I'll take it out.
Can't add that.
I'll take it out. Let me take it out.
Things are dropping now.
Thanks to you.
We'll pick them up. It's fine. Okay. So
We'll see you guys in a little bit.
Hey guys, please check out our part 2 because it keeps going on and we can't wait to see you next time. Thank you so much. Please subscribe, like this video, and turn on your notifications and comment down below if you have any slime videos that you would like us to do. We love looking through them and trying them out. And please check out our part 2. Thank you. Bye.